Yo, what's up? Yesterday I actually didn't want to didn't want to do any video, didn't want to go live, didn't want to explain the video that I've done, explain the tree that I took because I was really upset. Because of me, I was really upset because I blew my live account. So yeah, I was really upset, and I really didn't want to do anything. So that's why I didn't actually do anything. But we back, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and see what I did yesterday. Let's go to 15 minutes and I'm gonna just remove this up. Um, yeah, it's over here, I guess. Yeah, it's over here. So what happened? I got this inversion after market open. What did I do? 1 minute. I took two trades yesterday, two trades. I cannot take more than two trades because my top set account will automatically get locked. Anyways, two trades, right? My 15-minute flipped. I didn't actually wait for that, to be honest. Once after this price, once after the price closed below and swept these down and lows, and I wanted to look for longs because bullish until you're proven wrong, right? That's the whole point of it. So I should have been aware, and yeah, that was the first loss. Inversion took in an entry up here, straight up stop loss. That's the first loss. That's a tiny loss, $70. I guess I had five contracts. Probably I don't know how much it was. I lost very minimum because I didn't risk much because that was low risk trade. So I just what the hell? Yeah, somewhere around 20 points. Anyways, that was the stop out. Yeah, once price closed below 15 minutes after the inversion, I took an entry for not exactly where they're after this break structure, fair value gap. I took my entry up here and I guess not there too. Yeah, almost got, yeah, of course it was. I got in a position right up here. My stop loss was exactly up here. I thought I almost got stopped out, and my take profit was there though. Anyway, yeah, somewhere around here. I had a New York low up here, so I was targeting that probably around here. So that was one is to six trade, right? Like, let me explain what I mess up. So I thought I'm gonna get stopped out up there. So once price went up, came back down, breaking this low. That was my very even points. Breaking the trade, stopped out at break even. Ended on the position again, kept my stop loss up here, came back down, stopped me out. How clever, right? I was down $300 yesterday. So that was yesterday, and really didn't want to do anything. And yeah, I was up. So, anyways, I was coming today. I had a selling bias. That's what happened at the start. So yeah, this is not a trade. This was actually I was just looking at it out of the 1 minute time frame. This was the only trade. This and I have two more executions before that. Let me show that on my top sub account because I was trading on my top sub account, but I don't have fucking money to buy my finishes account. Yeah, set up. I hope my executions show up. Yeah, it did. Yes, indeed. Oh, by the way, this is not a loss. That was a breaking trade. Oh shit. Yeah, I guess that was a loss. That was five contracts trade. Probably a loss. I must have lost. How much did I lose? Really, nigga? Yo, yeah. Yeah, I lost my first trade. That was $500. And you know what I did? I went all the, I mean, should have had my stop loss at the low, but I didn't do it because I thought, fuck it, right? So I was just like going into the Fibonacci gap, entered on a position right up here on the top tick of this candle, and I just closed above here. That made me $500. So I was like happy. I was happy. I was like waiting for another push, another entry. 10 o'clock opened. 10 o'clock opened right up here, giving you a max extra shift, and also inversing this Fibonacci gap very aggressively, and uh, got a position right up here, somewhere around here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I entered 20 contracts. Yeah, it's up here. 20 contracts close up here. That should be how much? How much was it? $90. That was a break even trade, I guess. So 20 cons, break even. Where is yeah, it's right up here. So I was a good boy, waited for another entry, went all in 10 cons, targeting pre-market open high, clean trade, big profit, and yeah, made around like $1,500 on that trade. 1,500 or 1,400. I don't know exactly how much it was. It was 3,360. It was 1,360, and I'm well below 1,500 for a day. And the reason why I was looking for longs up there, the reason price went back into this high time frame PD area, 15-minute time frame PD area, and inversed the fair value gap, creating a fair value gap. And that's why I entered on my first position. Fucking bitch stopped me out. Uh, Anyways, waited for another entry. I got into a quick scalp, got in, got out, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, nothing much to complain, bro. I just got lucky on the sell trade. Even if it's if that sell trade didn't work, I would have just got into the buy entry. That was a legit entry, to be honest. I hope that was a good trade. Nice risk to reward and shit. You can see it on the 15-minute time frame much more clearer. So the reason why I got out, I was just trading, 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 trading. So stop me out somewhere around here. So anyways, I was happy once the price hit this low. I was like, okay, fuck it. Keep my stop loss below this. $500 lost. In the next trade was a banger one. Here it is. So yeah, I'm happy for the day. And still could have just performed a little bit better because three trades, I mean four trades is like too much. Still too much. I should cut off all this bullshit and just focus on my trading. And I'm going pretty aggressive on the challenges from now on. I don't care because I'm not gonna waste time on my challenge phase because once I get into a live account, the price action becomes shit, and I cannot fucking make profits on that account, bro. If that was, if imagine that was my live account, I made $1,500 on the day. And one more thing, bro. This fucking shit, this trade right up here, this played out like a bitch. And I got stopped out. Oh, damn, man. It's to the point, didn't even come near my stop loss. I mean, for the first entry, I don't know, it came up till here. But I shouldn't have actually kept my stop loss. I shouldn't have trailed it. So I did. So I got fucked up. That's it. I guess so. Yeah, pretty much when literally came into I mean, take profit, smashed it. And let's go to Monday. Tuesday, I guess. Tuesday was the day I blew my account, right? This is Wednesday. There you go, Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Same shit happened. Boom. After that, dropped like a bitch. Stopped me out. Stopped me out. And this was the trade that I blew my account. Shouldn't have entered on a longer period because price really didn't do anything except inversing this fair value gap after coming back into a high time area. And it's really struggled. It really struggled to get up in inverse that fair value gap. So I should have been aware and I should have just waited. So this entry, I should have kept my stop loss above here and two trades back to back on the same place, same entry, same stop loss, just stopped out twice and played out my way, bro. Like $1,400 on that day, bro. Like I just lost $1,400. Could have just could have just risked could have just risked all that money on this one trade and I would have been making backs now. I would have been up around like $4,000 today. This was $1,000 day. This should be 4K day, 2K day probably. Once you get to see a drop like this, you probably would be trailing, get the max out of it, right? So, man, anyways, dude, it happens. Shit happens. So this was another one. Could have just banked on this day. And this trade, dude, I don't even have to explain. I just took this trade on live. And anyways, bro, it's my bad luck, to be honest. You know. Anyways, but do not ever fucking give up. That's all I can say. And this is life proof. This is recorded proof. So not giving up. Not gonna give up until I'm gonna make it. Not gonna not gonna stop believing in myself. Not gonna stop believing in God. And that's the only way you can go up, bro. God is the only way you can go up. Just so trust God, trust yourself, believe in yourself, and you can literally do anything, bro. And all these are like live recorded motherfucking proof. This is going to be a fucking proof. I'm telling you. As long as this is in you, bro, this shit, man, forget about failure, bro. As long as you have that shit in you. So, anyways, that's it, I guess. I'm out. Adios.